Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that.
You know, I get it in out here. Y'all don't understand. Got the slab. I did 3 of them already. Got the big chops. What you call those pork steaks. Don't understand it. You know, they're kicking it. I get it in. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all don't know what's up. Y'all keep watching Chef MLD 73. Y'all gonna know how to cook up in this mug. Y'all gonna know how to cook whatever you wanna cook. Hey, I got the skills, baby. I'm telling you. Yeah. You got to go investigate for that dark pop. No, it's over here in the refrigerator. Y'all left. That's what we doing over here. Y'all see what this is. That's what we doing over here. Girl. That's what we doing over here. We chilling. We chilling. It's just getting started a little bit. You know, we celebrate my birthday. You know, it's my birthday bash this weekend. The whole weekend. From Friday to freaking Sunday. We getting it in. We getting it in. We doing what it do. The boy got the keg going on, you know what I'm saying? I'm still grilling, you know, I do this. It ain't nothing to me but a thing. Yeah, yeah. Let them know. What's up? Boy, Saucy Pimpin' in the crib. Saucy Pimpin'. Let them know. Y'all look out for the merch. The merch coming soon. Coming soon. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Bam. Y'all see what that is? That's your boy. That's your boy MLD 73 right there.
Legit. Not false. Look at the back. He got it all right. You know? Everything, you know, right on that page.
The printers, they messed. They could have made that a little bit better. You know, they could have put things a little closer for me.
Kill the printer.
But it's okay.
Shoot the printer.
Let's see.
But they did all right.
Yeah, I love the front though. That's what's up. That's what's up. So y'all watch out. The merch, GRG merch coming soon. I guess it in over here. Gets it in over here. Y'all don't understand. I'm telling you. It's more to me than meets the eye. Yeah, y'all know we out here. Y'all know how MLD 73 do.
For real?
Y'all see how she is? Hello, Miss Lady. What you got going on over here?
Hello.
Hello.
I'm watching your video.
Oh, she watching the video already. Look at it. That's nice, y'all. Look, subscriber. Y'all comment down below and tell her thank you for watching my videos very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm gonna be cooking something.
You got that right. What you got right there? Oh, that's him right there. By the beat, I know who that is. That's him. He cooking. He cooking.
At first, all I saw was him.
Right. Yep, that's him over there. He's chefing it up. Y'all better come over here and kick it with you boys. Yeah, yeah. Y'all see that? Y'all get at you, boy. Charlie. Yeah, y'all. I get it in. I satisfies the tom-toms.
Groceries.
That's what's up. You let them know, boy.
MLD groceries.
Yeah. I bring smiles. Hey, y'all. I know y'all hear a lot of music in the background, but like I say once before, and I'm gonna say it again. Look at that keg. That's what's up. But anyway, y'all, you know, we just be chilling. We just be hanging out. So if you hear music, that's because we just chilling and hanging out. So please don't hit me for the copyright, YouTube. They got going on.
Oh, yeah, Cam did give me 3, so I don't even know how many I got now. I got 7. Well, Travis won't fit. Yeah, Travis, you supposed to catch that.
I ain't gonna touch you.
It's alright. It's fun as shit.
That's what it's all about. The fun, laugh, smiles, and good
I don't know
time.
how my son got such great aim because my aim. My game is awesome. My aim sucks. You know that. Ooh. Alright, this one's going in. Yep. Oh, I love it. Go ahead, shoot yours.
Alright, that's game.
He just won.
It's time to just take it home.
He just won. He can
No,
carry
you
it.
guys do not win. I just had 11.
You guys have redemption.
I just had 11. That's fine, but we all have to be able to shoot to get out.
Y'all probably have to hit like all.
Yep,
Go ahead,
Hey.
Vicky.
You mean 11, but we all still get to shoot.
Right. Vicky shooting.
Bullshit.
I got your mustard. Nobody got my joke. No. Never mind. He said, can't nobody catch up. I said, but I got your mustard. You know, I'm corny as shit.
That was a good one though.
It's alright.
No one heard it.
They wasn't paying attention to me.
That was good. The viewers gonna love that shit.
Whatever.
That's what's up. That's the one that said it. Oh man, I heard some cracking going on.
Here we come.
What's that?
I just heard some cracking going on. I don't know.
On the linea.
What you do, Michael? You done broke something, huh?
You think so? Thanks, I don't believe you. Got $5 that you don't make it.
Gonna make it or not make it?
That you go to 6. I mean,
See, he won already.
no, you guys get redemption. The game already over unless you
How do
don't
we,
make
what do
it.
you mean?
You gotta hit a 3 and a 2 and you guys keep going.
I got at least make 15.
Yeah. You guys gotta get to
I didn't
15.
say you won.
We already got 15.
Are you using carnival core math?
I'm a poor man.
Hey, the tools is a dagger, man. That's a dagger. That's a dagger.
Go ahead, go. Here we go. Ready? Trevor. Trevor. Here we go. Hold on. You get doing things before. Not right. They cheating over here. Knock them all in. I know, that hurts, don't it? I know.
Hard.
You want to run it back? Want to run it back? You want to run it back? Yeah, come on, run it back.
Back at it! Yeah! Party time in this bitch! Party!
Yeah, y'all. It's your boy MLD 73. Booyah. Yeah, that's just the regular radio up in there. Yep, regular radio. Appreciate y'all for hanging out with me at my crib. It's been wonderful. And we're going to have more adventures to come, especially this weekend because I'm having my birthday bash all weekend. I knew tonight wasn't going to be all of that, but I'm expecting tomorrow, Saturday night, I'm expecting Saturday night to be like the bomb. I know y'all hear the music in the background, but you know what I'm saying, we just kicking it, we playing music. I don't got nothing to do with that, no copyrights, no none of that. So don't y'all be trying to sue your boy out there, you know what I'm saying. I'm on the come up, that's all. I'm just trying to come on up, have fun at the same time. But anyway, y'all, MLD 73, appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit that notification button, show your boy some love, even comment, because that helped me out. In the long run, that'll be helping everybody out. So y'all, I'm out of here. Peace.